Hello, good morning. How is everyone doing this Monday morning? I'm sure we are very fine and waxing strong. I'm happy to be back after a long time. I had to take some retreat, but I'm glad I'm back and I'm glad to know that you are there and you're doing fine. It doesn't matter the situation. Today I'll be sharing with us on the topic, You're Victorious Over Barrenness. When we read the book of Deuteronomy, chapter 7, from verse 14, it says, We are blessed above all people. There shall be no barren in the land, whether female, male, or livestock. When God says something, He means what He's saying, and all we need is our faith to put it in action. There is this couple in the book of Luke, chapter 1, Zachariah and Elizabeth. After their marriage, they could not have a child, but they did not allow it to stop them serving God. Today, in our society, when you cannot have a child, you are a subject of mockery, criticism, and gossip. But when you look at these two people, they did not allow the negative influence of society to stop them from serving God. What about you in that your situation? Barrenness at this stage could not only be the fact that you cannot conceive a child. It can also be spiritual barrenness, physical barrenness, financial barrenness, emotional barrenness, psychological barrenness. Barrenness in this stage involves a lot of things. The society today is very anxious to criticize and condemn. Will you allow them to talk you out of the grace of God? Zachariah and Elizabeth do not allow whatever the world said about them to stop them from serving God. They fervently served God in that situation. And Bible makes us to understand that at the appointed time, God blessed them. Bible says God met Zachariah at his place of service. His place of service. As a Christian, we all have duties and services to carry out in Christian race. You might be a steward, an evangelist, a pastor, a preacher. You might be a singer, a gospel singer. You might be a prayer warrior. Each and every one of us did not come to this world empty-handed. We came with a gift. Now we attempt barren if that gift given to us is not productive. What are we doing with the gifts God has given us? If we are barren and society is mocking at us, maybe because we are going through one situation or the other, and we allow their negative voices to talk us out of grace, we have failed. It doesn't matter the stage in which you find yourself. It's never too late. When God will come to reward you, He will reward you according to the service you render. You are victorious over barrenness. Don't allow society to talk you out of grace.